What up, boys and girls? We are here with a trade recap position of the day. You know, sometimes we like it long, sometimes we like it short. In this particular position, we liked it like the ladies like it, and that is long. We're looking at the ticker ANY. It was one of the few that was getting just a good amount of volume, a good amount of long bias love today. You can see as we started the day off, we broke down. We slowly pushed our way up to this blue line, which was a former daily resistance, got hit like 3 or 4 times. So drew that line, figure probably going to be significant. And lo and behold, it was. We pushed up to it, we got rejected, and we pushed on back down. If you look at stocks, you got to think of them as basically cruise liners, right? They don't just turn on a dime. It takes them a while to get those fat asses around. So you can see we pushed down here, and where I got interested is we started seeing these wicks, these little bottom wicks, right? So you can see that we're starting to get a little pressure as we come down. A lot of people will confuse this as like, oh, big wick here, automatic turn down. That's not generally how it works. So we came down to here. You had a nice hammer. I mean, beautiful, tons of volume. That's what you want to see. We pushed back up. We found a little bit of resistance, which was another form of resistance here. Okay. Traded here for a second. We pushed back down. You had good amount of volume here, but we gapped back up. So again, we respected this area and we gapped back up. We pushed to here, and this is where I got interested. Okay, we got rejected off of our double bottom middle here, whatever you want to call it, and you can see that we slowly dissipated in volume. So there were no shorts in here that were able to push us lower. So my thought was I'm going to take the breakout of this candle, right? So I bought in here about 264 is where I got filled, and I was able to risk off the bottom of this range at 262. So 2 cent risk. Like perfect. That's exactly what we want. Okay, and we immediately pushed up. My first get out was kind of the top of our little middle of the double bottom here. We had resistance there before, so I set up a limit as we were going. Boom, hit that. We pulled back a little bit as we broke above it with beautiful volume. Volume still looking good with the price action. Okay, we pushed back up. We hit our second target for me, which was this previous resistance from daily. So got out here, pretty much got most of it out here, and then left a little bit of the meat in just to see what happens, a little lotto. And we pushed up, and I ended up getting at the top of this big ass candle. I figured, let's not push our luck too much. So I ended up missing out on a little bit, but that was the first play. The second play to see, we got to jump over to the 5-minute view because that's how I traded it. We pulled back to after our little run here. Our little blue line, okay, and this is where I got interested. This is a high wave candle, whatever you want to call it, on really good volume, generally signifies some sort of reversal could be coming. So I set up a buy stop order above this candle, thinking that if we did end up breaking it, probably shorts would cover and we'd go higher. So you can see I got filled here at 286. We risked off the bottom of the candle at 274. 2 Rs was just $3, so you can see that we pulled back. I thought, oh crap, might be out. You're seeing nice wicks here, and we did get the push up to $3, where I did get out, and I was a little bitch because if I'd have just held, boom, it pushes up to a new high of day. So it is a win on the day. That was how it was played. It could have been played a whole lot better, but you know, we all learn to fight another day. So that is how I played. If you played it differently, let me know. If not, smash that follow button.